Hello! This is day 2 of assembling a trestle table with benches. Welcome back, and this is Fox. Hi. I already said that. Yeah, today we're going to do the table. I decided to go backwards and do the benches first to kind of build up my confidence. So today we're going to do the table. And I already went ahead and glued the center board to the underside of the table so that the glue would have time to dry. So let's continue on. Okay, so there's the top of the table, and it's got the what should I call it? What do they call it? The upper support. That spine, that's the upper support, and this is the main part, was the large part of the table. As you may recall, this is a drop leaf, so they're going to be adding some kind of weird hingy thingies in there, and that'll be real interesting. So I filled in the glue, and I put glue in the holes as instructed, and the dowels and more and junk, and so that's cool. Now I need 4 black, okay, I need sections A, 2 A's. Okay. Okay, so it's just like what we did yesterday, these little hidden cams, and they go right into this big wide hole. Just push it in, and then this is a cam dowel. Push the metal end in. Like that. And then I've got this one. Just like that. I already did the other one. Off camera, sorry. That's one of them. Let's do the other one. Next step. I will need someone's help in this step. Uh-oh. Let's stop the camera for a minute. Okay, it says I'm going to need help with this one because I have to fasten this here, and so obviously I need somebody to, some way to hold it up. But I think I can just rest it on a, if I can find a table or a trunk that's the right height, I think I'll be fine. So I tried these, and this one's too high this way. Let me try different angles. See if I can get it to behave itself. Right, we have this spine. Okay, let me think. Let's see. Do something like this. What was I thinking? This way and this way are going to be the same height. So I need it to be this high. So I need to measure the distance between those holes. Okay, I'll be back. Well, excuse me, don't you ever tell me that I'm going to need help from somebody to do something. Yankee ingenuity, guys, that's what this is. I've got 2 out of the 4 screws in on each side. So what I did, that's a step stool. It was a tiny bit short. So I put some books under there, under the legs. Books I wrote myself, actually. So I knew they were identical, they just have different covers. And then I put another copy underneath the board. See there, the center board. And just to elevate it, because I was looking at it, and you can't just put a box there because it needs to have, the thing has to have some legs to kind of to reach over the center divider, the center table support there on the bottom, but also it needs to have some type of a shelf to rest the board on there. So I was just thinking legs and shelf, legs and shelf, legs and shelf, and I was just looking around. I tried my tripod, and that wasn't flat enough. It's too angled. And I tried one of the benches. It was just a little bit too high. That would have been perfect. So, okay, let me finish the other, let me finish putting the screws in and go have a beer. I don't drink. I may start. Golly. Okay, so I got all the screws in. Okay, see there? It's some lovely green. Of course it's washi tape. And the same on the other end. Way down there somewhere. Where'd you go? There. Okay, now I gotta take apart this contraption and move on. I don't believe this. I am an idiot. I trapped the I've trapped the footstool inside of this thing. Oh God. This way. Let's try it this way. 2 tubs and a fancy box. Nothing going over the top of the of the bar. Oh, that was funny. I'm glad I filmed that. That's like what not to do. That's a good laugh. But I've got all my nice, 1, 2, 3, I'm missing a screw. There it is. I got everything taped, so that's very convenient. Very good to tape the holes. Oh God. That's pretty funny. I really think that's so funny. I thought I was so brilliant. Oh yeah, what a genius. You're such a genius. Okay, now I just slide the molding onto the edges. Hopefully I can handle this part. Okay, I'm sitting on one of my benches. This is so nice. I'm just gonna, very tired, but I would like to get this finished up tonight. It's about 8:30. And I want to just, so I need to put on the hinges and the leaves, and then I'll need to move the table over to this area, I think. And I'll need to put the extenders on so that you can put the leaves up. I think that would be it. It's just a matter of flipping it over. That could be tricky, but I'll get it. There's my big banquet table, very old. It's about, how long is that? About 10 feet long or so, I'd say. Over on the other side of the room, it is not divided in the center. The only thing that folds are its legs, and I wangle that thing around somehow, and it is a bear. If you've got it on its side, you open the legs back up, it's a real bear to flip it upright again. Just like that quarter turn, because it is so heavy. It is so heavy, and it's like, it kind of, it twists and stuff, but I manage. And also on the flooring, there's no traction, but somehow I manage. So I figure, if I can manage with that old thing, I can manage with this. I can do it. If I can get that center bar in by myself, I can certainly flip the table. So let's get back to it. I really want to finish. Hey. So you can't see what my hands are doing, but maybe we can get it on the other side. So I need 8 hinges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hinges, and I do it with the hinge upward. So that's the right way. I'm looking at this. And 16 large head screws. So these are the shorter ones I noticed in here. 16. 2. So I just went ahead and put all the hinges on. You didn't need to witness that. So I need 16 more of these screws, and then I put them, attach the leaves. All right, she's a tree. She got leaves. Leave me alone. Yeah. Yummy. Okay, now, excuse me for reaching across. Table supports, leaf supports. 4 of them. Okay. So I'm just, there's 4 drill holes already there. And I'm just putting this way with the curve up because it wouldn't be able, you wouldn't be able to attach the plate would be an inch off the surface of the table, so you'd have nothing to attach it to. So this has got to be right. Got to be. Okay, it's 9:40 and it's time for the flip. Oh boy, this isn't gonna be really hard to do. Just do it a little at a time, if you can. Let's see. Merwin, don't. Okay, so we go. That's the problem. There's not much to grab. Okay, that's all right. That's just the hinges. Okay. Okay, so what do I do now? Oh, that is heavy. Okay. Shoot. I can't grab that edge because I'll pinch my fingers on the leaves. Let's see. Let's try this way. Okay, here we go. And then this way. All right. Ta-da! Ooh, tricky. That is so cute. Okay. Bench up to it. Actually, I wanted this leaf out. So, pull out the extender. That's That's nice. The little hook is helps you pull it out. And I'm gonna have try a chair at the end. I have a place, find a place to put my feet. Yeah. I told you you'd be sleeping on that pretty soon. There we are. This has been Fox and Merwin and Sandy and Darla with the Trestle Table Project. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm going to go change my clothes and rest. Good night.